Have you ever noticed something? Whenever you open a website, an advertisement appears almost instantly. But have you ever wondered, how does that ad get there so quickly? Does someone manually place it every time you visit a webpage? Not at all. Behind the scenes, an incredibly fast process takes place. Imagine you're opening your favorite news website. The page starts loading and the headline appears. This is how content loads every day. The images appear and there's also a space reserved for an advertisement. At this moment, the website doesn't yet know which ad you'll see. The moment the page begins loading, the website sends out an ad request. This request tells the network to find a relevant ad. Think of it like asking a question. Who wants to show an advertisement to this visitor? The request includes information like the device type, location, browser, and advertisement size. Now comes the most interesting part. An auction begins. Not in minutes, not in seconds, in milliseconds. Multiple advertisers now receive the opportunity to show their advertisement. They all want to reach this visitor. Let's see how live bidding works. For example, a travel company might bid 20 rupees, an online shopping brand 25, and an insurance company 30. But here's something many beginners don't know. The highest bid doesn't always win. The platform also looks at ad quality, relevance, user experience, and campaign goals before making the final decision. The system compares everything in milliseconds and selects the most suitable advertisement. Once the winner is selected, the advertisement is immediately sent back to the website. The web page finishes loading and the advertisement finally appears in the ad space. The amazing part? This entire process usually finishes in less than 200 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. So the next time you open a website and an ad appears almost instantly, you'll know there's an incredibly fast process working behind the scenes. And this entire process has a name. It's called Programmatic Advertising. In our next video, we'll break down the entire programmatic advertising ecosystem and understand what DSPs, SSPs, and ad exchanges actually do.